Well, I always wanted to learn Welsh when I was younger, but my mother didn't send me because she didn't think that she'd be able to help us with our homework. So I thought it was really important, just for the continuation of the language. And I find the language really interesting as well. So that's why I sent my daughter, who's 4, to Welsh school, and Aled will hopefully go to the same school as her.
Both my husband and I are sort of bilingual in different languages, and we see the benefits of it. And the Welsh schools around here are really good. It just seems like a good opportunity and one not to miss, really.
I looked into Welsh medium education, and when you realise the benefits that the child receives when they're educated bilingually, it develops their creative thinking, their problem solving, their literacy skills. It's a bit of a no-brainer. So that's why we chose Welsh education.
It's part of our heritage and our culture. I think it's important that Mali, being Welsh, learns to speak the language.